Got a box. Let's see what's inside. Oraimo Cool Mist Humidifier Essential Oil Diffuser Nightlight. It's an ultrasonic humidifier. This humidifier has ultrasonic cool mist, essential oil diffuser, ready to refill and clean, whisper quiet operation, RGB nightlight, and a 24-volt DC safety voltage. Sold in 50 plus countries and trusted by 200 million plus users. Sounds pretty good. Let's open it up. Comes with a 2-year extended warranty. Nice and clean. White. Pretty small and compact. So when you open up the top here, you have this little package. Inside is the power cord. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom now. I'm just taking the tank and I'm gonna fill it up with water. Alright, my tank is now filled. I'm gonna go back and set it up now. Now, I'm just gonna pop it back in. Take the power cord. Plug it in the back. The humidifier is now plugged in. Powers it on. And it immediately starts to work. It's got this cool LED light inside. It's green. You can control the mist, how heavy you want it with this knob. This button here changes the light. Green, blue, or no light. So that is the Oraimo Humidifier. Works pretty well. It's got a cool light, super compact. Nice little machine.